Welcome back to CodeChef. What if you could write code that is both easy to read and correctly understood by the Java compiler? Today, we'll explore keywords and identifiers in Java, the essential building blocks that make your code work smoothly. Think of keywords like official traffic signs, stop, yield, or no entry. They have a specific, fixed meaning everyone understands. Identifiers are like license plate numbers, unique names you assign to your cars or variables, so you can refer to them later without confusion. In Java, keywords are reserved words with special meaning, such as class, public, and int. Identifiers are names you define for variables, methods, and classes, like user score or calculate sum. Identifiers must follow naming rules and cannot be the same as keywords. Here's a simple Java example. The words public, class, and int are keywords predefined by Java. Game, player score, and show score are identifiers we created. After compiling and running the program, the output is 50. Did you know? Identifiers must begin with a letter, underscore, or $sign, and they cannot be Java keywords. For example, now it's your turn. Try this beginner-friendly problem on CodeChef, valid identifiers. Check if given strings are valid Java identifiers. Today you learned, keywords are predefined and have special meaning. Identifiers are custom names for variables and methods. Identifiers cannot be keywords and must follow naming rules. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.